It's widely known, at least in the investing industry, that active managers have had a difficult few years. Even over relatively short time periods, only a small proportion of funds are beating their benchmarks. So, is it getting harder for active managers to add value? And if so, why? Here's Ben Johnson from Morningstar in Chicago.
If you just think of the availability of information, the level of training, just how many well-credentialed, well-equipped professionals are out there competing directly against one another for what is a finite and probably shrinking pool of alpha. This is a real challenge that's facing active managers, not just in the US, but in all corners of the globe, and it's one that I don't think will soon reverse.
Some say there are other specific reasons why outperformance has been so rare. Some, for instance, blame it on quantitative easing or on low interest rates. But, says Ben Johnson, we should be wary of such excuses, and any suggestion that once conditions change, active fund performance will significantly improve.
When you see markets trending in one direction, the purest form of that market, so be it a US total stock market index fund or a US growth index fund, is exceedingly difficult for active managers to outperform because those index funds, those indexes by definition, are always fully invested and they are very pure, they are very style pure. So part of what we've been seeing is cyclical. Part of it is certainly structural. If you just look at sort of the elevation of the skill set, the game, sort of the armaments of the active management industry. But I think some of the other explanations, be it the low interest rate environment, quantitative easing, there's any number of frankly lame excuses that have been put forth by active managers.
Of course, no one knows when or indeed whether active managers will start performing better. The bottom line is, though, active management is a zero-sum game. One manager has to win at another manager's expense. Once you've factored in your fees and charges, you're almost certainly better off indexing.